Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am glad to be back with you with this wonderful tag about winter. Even though some of us don't like the snow and the cold, it is a good time of the year because of holidays and just getting together with family and different things like that. And there are some things I know you like about wintertime. I love a lot of things about wintertime. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this tag. I am going to tag several people. I'm not going to say it on this video because not everyone loves to do tags. So I hate to put anybody on the spot and then they're not able to do the video. So I'm going to contact people and then I will put their names below. I'm going to put their names below in the comment box. That way you can check it out and you can go check their video out after that. How about that? All right, so I'm going to get into this tag. Behind the fall tag, I love winter festival type things, just the atmosphere of Christmas and all that. So the first question is, there's 20 questions, and I'm not going to take a super long time this time. So the first question is, what colors do you like to decorate with for Christmas? I have a whole bunch of different colors and schemes that I like to do, and it just depends on how I'm feeling that year. But this year, I think I told y'all in that Dollar Tree Christmas haul, I'm just feeling traditional. I'm feeling like nostalgic and trying to go back a little bit to my childhood because that's when Christmas was really Christmas to me. Just a feeling, the atmosphere and everything just screamed just Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. So my colors are the traditional green, red, white with, I'd say, flecks of silver and gold here and there, depending on the room and what color accents the room has in it. The second question is, what is your favorite nail color for wintertime? Since, you know, there's the holidays, I would say my favorite color is red. It's got to be red for Christmas. And even though we have Thanksgiving in here too. Oh, Thanksgiving is actually fall. So I say red. I stick with red. And I think I might do a little silver or gold little accent nail here or here. I'm going to try that this year. See what I can do with that. The third one is mittens or leather gloves. I'm going to go leather gloves. I'm a glove girl. So I'm going to go leather gloves. And the fourth question is, which is your favorite winter fashion piece? Boots or a hat? Oh my goodness. I like them both. Sometimes I feel like having just a cute little hat on, but I love boots as well. So I'm going to say boots. I'm going to say boots just because I wear them a lot in the wintertime. And, you know, hats are cute. And I wear them every now and then. I wear them a lot out, you know, like just going to and from running errands in the wintertime. But I'm going to say boots. As far as a fashion accent, I'm going to say boots. I'm a boot girl. Number 5, what is your favorite Christmas movie? And as y'all can tell, I can't stick to one thing for the most part. So my answer will probably be like 2 and 3 things. So my favorite Christmas movie is Meet Me in St. Louis. I love that with Judy Garland. I love that movie. Second one would be It's a Wonderful Life. I couldn't choose between the two. So It's a Wonderful Life, and I love Home Alone because that's something just nostalgic for me. Me and my oldest son love that movie from his childhood. He was little. He was like 2 or 3 or something when that came out, and we love that movie. Love that movie. Number 6. What is your favorite winter candle? And that would be eucalyptus mint from Bath and Body Works. Is it Bath and Body? Yeah, Bath and Body Works. And I don't know if White Barn has it too, but yeah, eucalyptus mint. Number 7, what is your favorite Christmas song? Well, I have a couple. I'm gonna just do 5. This Christmas by Chris Brown. I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas. I love that song. Me and my daughter love that song. By Gayla Peavy, and she is still living. That song is from 1953. She recorded it in 1953. Her name is Gayla Peevey. Peevey. Gala Peevey. I love that song. It puts me in a Christmas mood. The third one is I Can Hardly Wait Till Christmas, or I Can Hardly Wait for Christmas. One of those, till Christmas or for Christmas. The OJs. Yes, the OJs. The fourth one is Let It Snow from Boys to Men. And Last Christmas. The fifth one is Last Christmas from Wham. George Michael. I love that song. I love that song. I have a whole bunch more, a whole bunch more favorite Christmas songs, but I could not even list them all. I love the traditional ones. Just, I love them. I love them. Let's see. Number 8. What's your favorite winter dish? I'm going to say more like the entree of I like a roast. A good roast around the winter holiday times. I love it. A good old-fashioned roast. My favorite treat. Well, what's not my favorite treat any time of the year? I mean, it just goes all year round. The same things I love. I can't even say it's just for winter. But you all know, and I know this sounds strange. I just learned this recipe like 2 months ago. When I went to visit my son, my son's mother-in-law, my co-mother-in-law, we call ourselves. She made a apple dip. She makes an apple dip, a caramel apple dip. Y'all, I put the recipe up already. If y'all knew how good it was, oh my goodness, if people knew, that recipe would be off the charts. That video should be off the chart. Y'all go check that out. I'm gonna link it at the end of this video. But that caramel apple dip is delicious. Y'all know how much I love the Reese's peanut butter trees, pumpkins and stuff, because it's got that thick patted butter and the thin thing, layer of chocolate, and I absolutely love it for years. But this rivals that, I promise. It rivals that. So yeah, that caramel apple dip, y'all check that recipe out. People will love y'all at the potlucks. They really will. Let's see, number 8. Okay. Also, I like mint chocolate fudge, which is baked. I make it. I'm gonna link that recipe too. Lord, I'm just plugging myself, ain't I? But this is really what I love. The Russell Stover French mints. I love those, and I made a spin on it. Called it's basically like a French a mint fudge. So that is delicious, and it'd be great for Christmas time. Number 9, angel or star on top of your tree. Well, I can't pick because neither, because I do not do an angel and I do not do a star on top of the tree. I do ribbon, a pretty curl of ribbon. It's a bow actually, and the ribbon comes around but 4 streams of ribbon curled, front corners of the tree and the back 2 corners of the tree. I know that's hard, but that's how it is. It's like 2 streams front sides, 2 streams on the back sides, and it's so pretty. It's like a gold and white or gold and cream paisley type of. It's so pretty. All right, number 10. If you could buy yourself anything for Christmas, anything, and the price was not, and it was no object. Price is no object. What would you buy? Okay. Of course it would be a house, even though I love my house and it's a decent sized house and everything. We are on our last child, raising our last child, so we should be downsizing a little bit, but I still would. Years ago, and I kind of let go of that dream, but I'm not gonna let go of the dream. I wanted a brand new house built, and even though we don't need a whole bunch of room, I would still love to have a brand new house built, I think. I would love it to have the things that I want so much in a brand new house is a big kitchen, like a gourmet type kitchen, and a big master bathroom, a big master bedroom with a big master bath with big master closets. So that's what I would get if money were no object. I want the rest of the house to be nice, but it doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be huge. But yeah, those are the things I want. So that's number 1. The second thing I want, I've always wanted, well, for the past see, 12 years or so, 12, 15 years. A Ford Flex. I love those little cute boxy Ford SUVs. Oh my goodness. There's a certain one that looks really good though. I know all of them ain't just the cutest, but there's one they have, like, you know, the luxury edition, and they got the trim on it, you know, all that stuff. I still want, even though we own our last child, you know, we may have some more grandkids. We already have grandkids. We may have some more grandkids coming, you know. And then I like to ride people. Sometimes people don't have a ride. Like in our family, we might be going somewhere, and I want to take all my, you know, my sisters and my niece and great niece and all that stuff, and we can ride in one car if it's like 7 or 8 people. So I would love to have one of those. And the other thing, oh, I would look a big family vacation. That would be the third thing. That's it. All right. Number 11. What's my favorite thing about winter? Staying indoors. I'm not an outdoorsy type girl. I love it sometimes depending on the event we're doing, but I love being in the house. I'm a homebody. So staying indoors, cozying up, and watching movies. Watching good movies. I love 80s movies and old movies. So yeah. Number 12. What's your favorite winter drink? Hot chocolate. It is hot chocolate, still hot chocolate. I think that was my favorite fall drink too. Or it might have been cider, I'm not sure. But hot chocolate for wintertime, definitely, with marshmallows, sprinkle of cinnamon, just a little sprinkle of cinnamon, and even sometimes whipped cream. I can option between the whipped cream and the marshmallow. So yeah, love that. 13. Christmas shop online, or do you like to fight the in-store crowd? I like both. I actually like going out at the hustle and bustle of the Christmas season shopping. It's just something that makes it feel more like Christmas. If I'm gonna sit behind a computer the whole time, you know, there's some things you do get online, or certain things that I will get online that I can't find at a store. And so yeah, I would say both. Because I don't like that last minute shopping when it's just crazy, but I do like a little bit of the hustle and bustle of the crowds and just the atmosphere of the mall and stuff like that. Okay, so that one is both. 14. Are you dreaming of a white Christmas, snow or no? I am dreaming of a white Christmas. Yes, I am. Don't want it too many days hence, you know. I'd say through the 1st. After the 1st, the snow can go away. Number 15. Favorite lip care for the winter. Avon. I used to sell Avon for years. I sold Avon for like 20, 23 years. I think I started when I was like 14 years old. I was young. But anyway, I love Avon lip balms. They have some scented ones. I love the cherry and the strawberry. And then they also have the aloe vera or aloe lip balms. And then other types of lip balm I love. And they're not too sticky and pasty. They're just right. Just right. Number 16. Would you rather sleigh riding with the kids, or riding your sleds with the kids, you know, down the hill and stuff like that when it's a good snow? Number 2 would be, or would you like Christmas light cruising? And that's in the car. When you go around looking at people's houses and, you know, those neighborhoods that have their houses beautifully lit, you know, and it's almost a whole neighborhood or something. And number 3, carriage ride through downtown, because usually downtowns are all pretty and stuff. I'm gonna say, because sleigh rides would be, you know, more for the kids, even though I do still like it. Carriage ride through downtown, that would be with my hubby. I would love to do that, but I still think Christmas lights, kind of cruising in the car looking at Christmas lights, because the whole family can do that. It's like, ooh, I still love doing that. So I'd say Christmas light cruising. Number 17, Christmas party or Christmas dinner. I'm going to say Christmas dinner. Christmas parties, I guess if you know everybody, they can be fun and everything. But if you don't know everybody or don't know a lot of people, it can be a little awkward because you can have a little dead time and, you know, all that stuff. So I'm gonna say Christmas dinner, like family Christmas dinner. So you end up talking and laughing and maybe playing a game or watching a movie after or something like that. I like Christmas dinners. Number 18, Christmas in town with your extended family or out of town Christmas trip, like with your intermediate family, like your husband and children and grandchildren if you have grandchildren. I'm gonna say Christmas in town with extended family. I have not gone out of town. Me and my husband have not gone out of town like to a timeshare and took the family and stuff. We've never done that. I've heard it's fun, but we've never done that. So I'm gonna say Christmas in town with extended family. 19, chili or soup? I don't know. Chili, I'm going to say for fall, mostly. So I'm going to have to go with soup for wintertime, a good hearty soup. Even though I love chili, and I think it's probably more filling, I'm just going to say soup for wintertime, Christmas time, wintertime. I'm going to say a good soup, a good old soup. And some like garlic, crusty garlic bread or something like that to dip in, especially if it's clam chowder. I love clam chowder. Anywho, number 20 is, this is just plum rude. Cookies or Christmas candies. You know, like those specialty candies, you know, women make, well, not just women, but people make chocolate candies around Christmas time, or Christmas cookies. That is not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair. It's a tie, but I'm going to say Christmas candies or winter candies, if you want to say for winter. But because cookies, I like just about all the candy, especially if there's chocolate and there's nuts and there's caramel and all that stuff. There's so many that I love. And I love the cookies. Lord have mercy. I love a good chocolate chip cookie, especially my chocolate chip cookies. But I'm going to say candy. I'm going to say candy. That's surprising to me. But yeah, a good Christmas candy. All right. So that is it. That is my winter tag. My winter tag. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's just a little bit of my favorite things. And yeah, I would love if you want to do the tag, even if I don't tag you and you want to do the tag, feel free to do it. I would love to watch yours. Let me know if you do it, that way I can come and watch. But yeah, the people that I tag are, I'm going to put them down below. And yeah, I'm so excited to hear some of you all's answers. All right, so if you like this, oh my goodness, thumbs me up. Thumbs up this video. If you're new here, subscribe. Love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. And click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, you all be blessed. Have a wonderful winter, wonderful holiday season, Christmas season rather. Keep the Christ in Christmas. And love you all. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.